Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today I've got a full house clean with me for you. So I'm going to be tackling lots of different jobs in each room and I'm going to take you along with me today. Today's video is a collaboration with one of my really good friends, Ash, also known as Mama Reed. Ash has got two beautiful children, Ella and Charlie, also a gorgeous new dog. They've just got a puppy, so really fun, exciting content over there as well. She does lots of different videos, home content, fashion videos, and I think you're really going to enjoy her channel. So if you're not subscribed to her channel, make sure you go and subscribe to her, tell her I sent you, and I hope you really enjoy her clean with me as well. If you have come over from Ash's channel, then welcome. I am a mum to 3 little boys, my youngest being 15-16 months now. So they all keep me very busy, but I also love being on here sharing our life. I do lots of lifestyle cleaning, DIY videos, and I hope you really enjoy them. So make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join our little family over here. So let's get on with the video. I've got lots of cleaning to do, so let's get started.
Hi guys, it's Ash here and I'm so happy to be collabing with Lisa again on her channel. We've got very similar tastes, we do the same kind of content, and in terms of the clean today, my house is in much need of some attention. Being at home for the last 8 or 9 weeks with the kids, it's definitely needing some organisation and some cleaning. So if you want some inspiration, come on over to my channel after you've watched Lisa's video and see me get it all done. I hope to see you there. Bye!
Okay, so the first room I'm going to start with is Vinny's bedroom. I'm just going to give everything a wipe down. I'm also going to change his bed and I'm going to vacuum everywhere later on too.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting over.
I really love this bedding. I got it years ago now from Primark and I always get lots of compliments on it. It's just super bright and summery, which is why I absolutely love it. So now his bed is done, I'm just going to open the window to let some fresh air in, and then I'm going to clean all of the surfaces and also wipe down the shutters.
When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Okay, so now we're in Renzo's room. I just need to change his bed as well and just tidy up a little bit. Just pick up all of the toys and bits that we've got left here on the floor. Tidy this little area. You might remember from the last video we moved all the books over here, which actually worked out really well. But since it was his birthday, so we've got some games and things under there which I need to put away. So that is his room so far. Let's change his bed. This bedding here is from La Redoute. I love it because it's got dinosaurs on it and my middle son is absolutely obsessed with dinosaurs. He loves them so much. So yeah, that is his bed. His bed is actually from Super Saver, the same place as our bed is from, and it's been really good because it's an ottoman bed. It's got storage as well, which is absolutely perfect for us. I really need to have a sort through all of these drawers. They're literally full with stuff and I'm just filling them up with more stuff. I'm putting the games in any space that I can find in those drawers, but soon I really do need to go through all of those. And also the boys' wardrobes. It's something I always put off because it takes so long, but when it's done it is definitely worth it. So I should get that done very soon. Okay, so next I'm just going to be doing Orlando's room. I just need to tidy up this area here. Also change his bed and just give everything a little wipe down. So this is what we're doing in Orlando's room. This is what it looks like before. This is so good, guys. This is like the grow blind, and we've been using it in Orlando's room to help him sleep, and he slept so much better with it. So it really blacks out the room. Our shutters do make the rooms dark, but it doesn't completely black them out. So this has been working really, really great for him.
Caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
I really love being in this bedroom. It's just really relaxing and super chill. So I'm just cleaning the surfaces now. As you can see, I'm just dusting everything down. And then once that's done, I'm going to do a little vacuum in the room. So I'm going to vacuum all of the rooms upstairs using my Duo Clean vacuum cleaner from Shark. So vacuuming is all I need to do in the boys' rooms, and now that is all done. So I'm going to go into my bedroom and I'm just going to wipe down all of the mirrors and give them a good clean. I'm just literally using some water and a cloth. I think this cloth is from Spontex, possibly, I'm not sure. But my e-cloth needs to be washed, so that's why I'm not using that one, but that's what I would usually use, and it's amazing. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm also going to wipe down my vanity area, which is so good. I love this area, but it's perfect because you can just close it away. So if it is messy, it doesn't really matter too much. But I like it to be tidy before the evening, because when I go to bed we watch TV in bed, so I hate it if it's too cluttered. So I'm just going to dust this area as well where my stool usually is, because that gets a little bit dusty. And then I'm also going to polish the side tables.
That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Vacuuming all done in this room, so that was a really nice quick room to get done today. I already did my bed this morning, so as you can see, that is my beautiful bed. I love it so much. If you'd like to see a bedroom tour, I recently filmed one, so I'll link that one down below for you so you can see where everything is from. That is my little vanity area. This is a Pax wardrobe by IKEA, by the way. And now we're going to go downstairs into the living room. So this is how the living room is currently looking. A few little bits here and there. Just needs, again, a general tidy, and I also need to wipe down the shutters. This area beside my chair has become a clutter zone, and that's where everything gets thrown in the evening when the boys are helping me tidy. So I'm just going to sort everything out there, and I'm going to be just as bad as them now and put a lot of the junk in the ottoman, because that's where a lot of it goes most of the time. Again, another little area that I need to sort out. This has got toys and blankets in it and things like that. These shutters are really fab. We bought them when we moved into the house from Hillary's Blinds, and they've been really, really good, but they do get quite dusty, so it's good to keep on top of it kind of weekly. I usually use a bit of a polish or some soapy water and a cloth, a microfiber cloth, but apart from that, they're pretty good to maintain. They're really easy to maintain. Now I'm just cleaning the TV area, which is an area that we recently sorted out, but we're hoping to kind of build some cabinets in this area very soon, so stay tuned for that. I will definitely vlog the process.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's
Once I'm finished vacuuming, I'm just going to use some 1001 Carpet Fresh. This smells amazing. This is a fresh linen one, and I just spray that all over the floor to make the floor smell amazing. I also do this upstairs on the carpet too, and it just really makes the room smell lovely. So that is that room all done now. And now we're going to move into the utility room and get some washing
That's
on.
usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dance.
So here we are again in the utility room. I feel like I'm in this room all day, every day, because there's always washing to be done. So I already had done some yesterday, which you would have seen on the countertops there. There is more to be done in here. This wash basket is from HomeSense, by the way. I always get lots of questions on this as well. It's gorgeous and it's a nice size too. So I'm just going to put the bedding in the wash, and then we're going to clean the surfaces as well. Clear those surfaces because I tend to dump a lot of things in here. So I'm going to clear all of that and give it all a wipe down
Taking my
too.
chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Also, while I'm here, I'm going to take down this laundry picture because it was wonky in there. So I'm just going to fix that by taping it in so it doesn't move anymore. But then I soon realised that the command strips, once you take them down, you can't reuse them. Well, I couldn't push it on there anyway. So what I did was just left it down by the side. So I just worked out there that I couldn't use them. So I'm just peeling those off. And then I'm just going to leave it on the side and then hopefully get some more command strips so I can stick them back up in the
2,
future.
3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna?
So that is the utility room all done. We do need to come back later on to do some more washing, but for now this is the room finished, and now we're going to go into the kitchen. The kitchen isn't looking too bad. I basically just need to do my daily job of kind of cleaning the dishes, putting old dishes away that I've already washed, and again clearing the surfaces a little bit. As you can see here, there's just things left out, but it's not too bad, so I'm just going to do that right now. And then I'm also going to give the dining room area and kitchen a sweep, the daily sweep that I need to do.
I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing.
Here I'm just putting away the baking trays that I used yesterday when I did some baking with the boys, and I'm also going to put a candle on. This is a molten brown candle. It's the brandy one, I think, Bizarre Brandy, which we got for Christmas, and it smells incredible. It's lasted so well. I would highly recommend molten brown candles and products because they always smell so beautiful and the fragrance is really strong, so I love that.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak.
So as I mentioned, I'm just doing the daily sweep in here because I need to sweep every day because there's constantly crumbs on this floor from the kids. And they've just got back from playing outside. So here they are. Renzo's taking his shoes off there, puts them on the side, and then he actually goes and puts them away. But he does plonk his glasses on the side as well. That's just kids for you, isn't it? They just leave stuff everywhere. So that is the boys back. And now we are going to go upstairs in a second. So this is the kitchen all done now.
Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes.
Before we go upstairs, I'm just folding all of the washing that is now dry. This is the boys' bedding, and I'm also going to show you a little trick on how to keep this organised. So basically what I do is I'll fold everything up, and then I'll use a pillowcase from that collection, so that bedding collection which you can see here, and I'm putting all of the bedding inside so it keeps it all organised. So when I need to find the bedding sets, then they're all ready in one pillowcase and I don't need to look for it anywhere else. Now we're just in the bathroom upstairs. which again, it just needs a general tidy. So I'm just putting like toothbrushes and things like that away. This is really good as well. It's from Amazon and it stops you from wasting any toothpaste. It's really good for the boys. It helps them get every last bit out.
Done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same. Now that we dancing, I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
I'm really happy with how the bathroom's looking. I recently gave it a makeover, which I'll link down below for you. So I showed the process of before and after and during, so you can see that. And this is the bathroom all done now, so it looks nice and fresh and clean and tidy again. Also have to share this bath mat trick. So if you want to dry your bath mat, just stick it on the tiles when you're done with it. My friend Charlotte Taylor does this and I thought it was such a great idea. Now this is the landing area in the house. There are towels everywhere, a sheet was still drying on the banister and also products. So I'm just going to tidy that away, put it all away in the linen cupboard and yeah, get rid of all of the stuff that's here because this again is another clutter zone. I have many of them in my house.
I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been.
Now I'm just giving the mirrors a good wipe down because this can often get lots of little fingerprints from little people in the house. So I'm going to wipe that down and then we're just going to give everywhere a vacuum again and then I'm going to clean down the stairs as well for you.
With your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we...
Final job of the day is to clean down the stairs. So I'm just going to clean the banister and dust this. I think this little duster I got from B&M. Or actually, no, it wasn't. It was Poundland and it was only £1. So it's actually extendable and I often use this on my shutters as well. But today I'm using it on my banisters and my pictures and that is everything done. I'm finished for the day. No more cleaning to be done. So hurrah. So happy with myself that I'd managed to clean the whole house. I really hope it motivated you because watching this back has actually motivated me. So I'm ready to get my clean on for today as well.
I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. Cause tonight we have it all. Cause we're dancing as one. Cause we're dancing as one.
Okay, so that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to go check out Ash's video now. I'll leave a link down below for you. If you did come over from Ash's channel, then welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. I would love to see you stick around. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all very soon. Bye.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do and I wish you would be right here with me.